Hi. Today, I just want to do a quick video about waking in the early morning with your mind racing or anxious. You recognize it because you're going to be up for 2 hours and then you're going to go to sleep just before your alarm goes off, and often occurs at 3 a.m. Not always, but about 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours after you went to sleep. This video is for educational purposes, not intended for medical advice or consultation, diagnosis, or treatment, just as an FYI. This is really just for you to think about how you can improve your own health. So this is a continuous glucose monitor feed for me. And you don't have to have a continuous glucose monitor to observe this, but I'll show you mine. So I was experimenting with eating way too much carbs for breakfast and having cereal for breakfast and lots of rice for lunch and pasta for dinner and dessert for post dinner. But this could also be a little alcohol. I've seen that with other people. And then I ate right before I went to bed because I knew that I had been eating, and sure enough, look, at 3 a.m., almost on the dot, I woke up panicked that something horrible was happening. And my brain was like, and I was like, oh yeah, I have a continuous glucose monitor. And I was like, oh, look, I am overtly hypoglycemic. That's what this red line is. It's below 70 milligrams per deciliter. And so I went and got some food and my glucose came back up, which was awesome. But this is why I was waking at 3 a.m. For those of you who are like, whoa, what happened over here? This is called a root beer float. We'll talk about that on another video. So what do you do at 3 a.m.? So those of you who have been around, like lizard brain treat, just a little bit of fuel. And yes, I know, juice. Oh my God, people are like, no, I shouldn't eat juice ever because it's bad for you. We're doing a quarter cup, right? Not a lot, not 8 ounces, because that will be like root beer float and spike your blood glucose, but a little bit of juice to get to your prefrontal cortex, turn off the panic button, and then have some protein in the form of nuts. And just a little, most people report that they will go back to sleep within a half hour. And then I just left these because I love lizard brain treats as like smoothing out the rough spots in our day. So when you're waking anxious or irritated, some people wake up and they're really anxious or irritated or not hungry in the morning, lizard brain treat. And generally people are going to be hungry within 20 minutes because the body is not hungry when it's not fueled. Changing from professional mode to family mode, or if somebody were around as anxious, irritated, or agitated, give them a lizard brain treat. So that is our hot topic for the week. If you find this video helpful, please share it. If there's a topic you want me to touch upon, please email us and we'll do more videos. Have a good day. Bye.